Welcome back, viewers, subscribers. Welcome back, guys. Now, guys, it's Sunday and I'm back in the kitchen. You know, Sunday is the day where Jamaica keep it real when it come on to the culture and come on to the tradition. Sunday is the day where we cook the rice and peas and, you know what I mean, the 2 meat and the 3 meat, the oxtail, the chicken, the fish. You know what I mean? So, guys, I'm back in the kitchen today, and today I'll be cooking some rice and gungo peas and some barbecue chicken, guys. So just come along with me and let's chef up a storm. Yes, freestyle. So for today's menu, you heard the recipe that I'll be using. I got my spices over here for the chicken, and of course my seasoning. I have onions, scallion, thyme, scotch barnet pepper, sweet pepper, garlic, tomato, scotch barnet pepper. And for my rice and peas, guys, I have over here my dry gungo peas and my coconut milk. Now, guys, I will go ahead and start the preparation for my baked chicken and my rice and peas. So come along with me, guys. So right here, guys, I have my chicken prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning to it. After that, I will add some chicken seasoning. After I have my chicken seasoning, I will go ahead and add some black pepper. Then I'll add some paprika. After which I will rub up everything together. Rub the spices in. You know what I mean? You want the chicken to be well seasoned. You want the seasoning to soak in the chicken the right way, so you rub it out all over. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned. I mean, after rubbing the spices, I will go ahead and add the natural seasoning. My onions, sweet pepper, thyme, scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rub them in. This is one spice I can't forget. I just love the flavor of the primento. Have some primento grains in it. Rub it up. Now, guys, I just want y'all to know, if you're watching this video, starting now, right? I'll be having a promotion going on my channel, right? So, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe for a chance to win $300 US. Right, and for the people in the Highland, right, you can win like daily prizes of $1,000 credit. Or you win $1,000 credit to your phone. Is if you bring 10 subscribers to the channel, you win for yourself $1,000 digital credit. So guys, just keep on subscribing to the channel, keep on supporting the channel. We have some giveaway over here for you guys, so get on board. Now freestyle, my chicken is now seasoned. But I'll show you what it looks like. Nice and lovely. My chicken is now seasoned. As you can see, guys, I've gone ahead and separate the chicken from the natural seasoning. Spray my baking tin with some cooking spray. Now I'm going to put the chicken in the baking tin. Now go ahead and place it in the oven for like about 30 to 35 minutes. Freestyle Nation! Hey viewers, hey subscribers, now it's all about the promotion. We talk about promotion, we talk about the giveaway, guys, we talk about the give back, you know what I mean? It's very simple, it's very easy. If you're a viewer and you haven't yet subscribed as yet, now is the time for you to come on board and subscribe to the channel for a chance to win for yourself $300 US. Now guys, it's very easy. All you gotta do is just subscribe, interact with the channel for a chance. Now, I'm at 400 subscription right now. As soon as I reach to 1,100 subscribers, I will just go through my comment section and I will just choose that one lucky person who is always interacting with the movement. You will be the winner of $300 US. Now it never stops there, so guys. If you're from the Highland, if you're in the Caribbean and using a digital phone, all you gotta do is just bring 10 people to come and subscribe to the channel and you win for yourself a $1,000 credit. It doesn't get any easier than that, you know what I mean? So guys, just keep on supporting the channel, liking the videos, sharing the videos, subscribing to the channel for a chance to win some money and some credit. So on that note, you already know guys, it's Sunday and it's all about the rice and peas and the baked chicken. So catch me in the kitchen. Guys, I will now go ahead and prep my barbecue sauce. I pour some barbecue sauce in the pot. After pouring the barbecue sauce, I pour some ketchup. Then I'm going to mix it together. That it's a whole vibe, you know what I mean? I mean, you could smell that nice aroma coming from the chicken. Everything just smells good and look good and just give you a nice vibe. Now as you can see guys, I have just dipped the chicken in the barbecue sauce. I will now go ahead and place it back in the oven for probably like about 3 to 5 minutes. Then it will be completed. Stay tuned. Freestyle, this is it. When you're talking about mouth-watering food, this is it. I mean, trust me guys, the looks alone of it can tell you how nice and delicious this barbecue chicken is. You know what I mean? Over here is the rice and peas, you know what I mean? We don't do the wet rice thing, rice have to dry and shelly, you know what I mean? Nice and lovely. Over here I got the vegetables. Yeah, and over here I got the gravy to go with the rice. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Barbecue chicken, rice and peas with some vegetable. Trust me. Sunday settings guys, a whole vibe. Now guys, remember, I have a promotion going on. Please check out the promotion. Feel free to enter. Remember, the only way you can enter to win the $300 is to subscribe to the channel and join the movement. Stay tuned guys. Yes, Freestyle Nation, this is it. Dinner has been served. Rice and peas, barbecue chicken with some vegetables on the side. Now guys, this is looking nice and lovely and of course tasting nice and delicious. Now guys, as always, thanks for watching guys. Remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet guys, feel free to hit the subscription button and join the movement. Guys, remember we have a promotion. If you subscribe to the channel guys, you have a chance of winning $300 US plus win some credit for your phone. So guys, get on board and join the movement. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next one.